Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, not just about the vastness of space, but about the sheer audacity it takes to actually go there? I mean, we've all seen the government-funded moon landings, the massive rockets, the decades of research. But what about the dream of private spaceflight? The kind where a couple of determined individuals, not a massive bureaucracy, push the boundaries? Specifically, what about Spaceship One? That sleek, revolutionary craft that actually did it? But here's the real question: who actually footed the bill for such a wild, ambitious project? Before we dive into the answer, let's rewind a bit. Spaceship One wasn't just a random garage project. It was the culmination of decades of dreaming, a bold challenge to the status quo. In the early 2000s, space travel was still firmly in the hands of government agencies. The idea of a privately built, reusable spacecraft capable of carrying humans to the edge of space seemed like science fiction. But then came the Ansari X Prize. The Ansari X Prize, a $10 million reward, was designed to incentivize private spaceflight. The challenge was simple: build a reusable spacecraft capable of carrying 3 people to an altitude of 100 kilometers, 62 miles, twice within 2 weeks. This prize acted as a catalyst, igniting the imaginations of engineers and entrepreneurs around the world. And one team, Scaled Composites, led by the legendary Burt Rutan, rose to the challenge. Rutan, known for his innovative aircraft designs, had a vision. He believed that spaceflight could be accessible to more than just astronauts. But building a spaceship is expensive. Very expensive. So, where did the money come from? The primary funding for Spaceship One came from a single individual, Paul Allen. Yes, that Paul Allen, the co-founder of Microsoft. Allen, a visionary in his own right, had a deep passion for space exploration. He saw the potential of Rutan's design and believed in the dream of private spaceflight. He provided the tens of millions of dollars needed to design, build, and test Spaceship One. Think about that for a moment. One person, with a vision and the means to support it, fundamentally changed the landscape of space exploration. Allen's investment wasn't just about winning a prize. It was about proving that private enterprise could achieve what was once thought impossible. He wasn't just writing a check, he was investing in the future of space travel. It wasn't just about the money, though. It was the synergy between Allen's financial backing and Rutan's engineering genius. Allen's support allowed Rutan and his team to focus on innovation, to push the boundaries of aerospace technology. They weren't constrained by bureaucratic red tape or the need to justify every penny to a committee. They had the freedom to experiment, to take risks, and to ultimately succeed. The result? Spaceship One made history. On October 4, 2004, it successfully completed its second flight within 2 weeks, winning the Ansari X Prize and ushering in a new era of private spaceflight. This achievement wasn't just a victory for Scaled Composites and Paul Allen. It was a victory for anyone who dared to dream of a future where space travel is more accessible. And it's important to remember that this wasn't just a singular event. Spaceship One's success paved the way for companies like Virgin Galactic, which licensed the technology and continued to develop commercial space tourism. It demonstrated that private companies could play a significant role in space exploration alongside government agencies. So, when you look up at the stars, remember the name Paul Allen. A man who, with his vision and his wallet, helped turn a dream into reality. A man who proved that sometimes, all it takes is one person to change the course of history. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.